Now let's get this thing installed. It's actually pretty straightforward. First, find a place that's close to your panels and wall socket, say here. Then remove the waterproof cover from the bottom of the main battery unit and install it to the expansion battery. Of course, if you're only using one main battery unit, you can skip this step. If you have 2 or more expansion batteries, you'll need to use the structural components from the accessory kit to secure the expansion battery packs to the wall, ensuring stability. Now place the expansion battery. Stack other expansion batteries one by one, and finally the main battery unit on top. You'll need to use the structural adhesive components to firmly secure the main battery unit to the wall as well, preventing it from tipping over. Batteries secure. Now for the wiring. First, connect your solar panels. Plug the MC4 connectors into the PV input ports until you hear that satisfying click. That means it's locked in properly. The maximum operating voltage for each input is 60 volts. Usually your PV panel has about 40 to 50 volts, so you can just plug it in. If you're going to install 2 panels for more power, make sure you have Y cable to install panels in parallel. Do not connect panels in series. Next, the grid connection. Plug one end of the included cable into the grid port on the unit. Again, listen for the click. For the safety, this plug is a little hard. You will need to use some force. Then plug the other end straight into your wall socket. That's it, you're now connected to your home grid. If you need uninterruptible power for appliances, you can connect the power cable to the bypass port. Once this port is enabled, it can function as a backup power source for the normal power supply. You can also connect your home's existing balcony solar system in the same way. And that's it, installation complete.